Alright guys, we are here at Delcrest Plaza, University City. Look at this. I've ridden these elevators before, but I want to do an updated video on them. Love this call station. Hi. They've been slapped on. I believe Andrew said these were modernized in the 90s. He remembers when these were normal. Motor time. These are neat elevators. I do have an older video of this, but we're gonna ride both cars on this video. These buttons aren't. I wonder if I got two mods. Original this and then fire service. There's the phone. Send that car up and oh, whoa. I don't know. I think that's a new button. It might be. Let's see if we can get the other one. I don't remember this button being here. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think the left car works. It looks like only the right one does. Well, since this is the only car that works, that'll be it.